After gathering reviews from all over the internet, this comprehensive review of the CUTIEWORLD Skincare Fridge with dimmable LED light mirror represents what real users are saying about this product. If you own this item, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description using it supports the channel. The CUTIEWORLD Skincare Fridge with dimmable LED light mirror is a 4-liter mini fridge designed specifically for skincare, cosmetics, and small food items. It stands out for its dual cold and warm functionality, allowing users to switch between cooling and heating modes with a simple button adjustment. The cooling temperature reaches 35.6 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for extending the shelf life of skincare products, facial masks, and certain foods. The warming function heats up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for keeping towels warm or storing heated beauty items. This versatility is one of the fridge's most praised features, with users highlighting how it meets a range of needs from skincare preservation to snack storage. A defining aspect of the CUTIEWORLD Skincare Fridge is its built-in high-definition mirror door, which features a touchscreen LED light with 3 adjustable brightness levels. This mirror is not just a cosmetic addition, it transforms the fridge into a functional vanity accessory, allowing users to apply skincare or makeup with optimal lighting. Many reviewers have noted that the mirror quality rivals standalone vanity mirrors, with the added benefit of integrated refrigeration. The ability to adjust the lighting intensity is particularly appreciated during different times of day, ensuring accurate makeup application and skincare routines regardless of ambient lighting conditions. Portability is another major advantage. The fridge is equipped with both a household power cord for standard AC outlets and a car power cord for DC use, making it suitable for bedrooms, offices, dorm rooms, or even travel. Its compact dimensions, approximately 9.8 by 9.6 by 7 inches, allow it to fit comfortably on desks, vanities, or countertops without occupying excessive space. Despite its small footprint, the 4-liter capacity is sufficient to store up to 6 12-ounce cans or a selection of skincare essentials, serums, sheet masks, and even small food items. Users consistently mention that the fridge strikes an excellent balance between compactness and storage capability, making it a practical addition to a variety of settings. One of the most significant benefits reported by users is the fridge's ultra-low noise operation. Thanks to advanced noise reduction technology, the fridge operates at just 25 decibels, which is quieter than a typical whisper. This makes it ideal for use in bedrooms, nurseries, or shared spaces where noise can be disruptive. Multiple reviewers have commented on how the fridge runs so quietly that it is barely noticeable, even when placed right next to a bed or workspace. This quiet performance, combined with energy-efficient operation, ensures that the fridge integrates seamlessly into daily life without causing distractions or increasing electricity bills. The design and build quality of the CUTIEWORLD Skincare Fridge have received widespread praise. The fridge is described as sleek, modern, and aesthetically pleasing with color options that complement a range of interior styles. The blue model, in particular, is noted for its stylish appearance that adds a touch of elegance to any room. The materials used are durable and easy to clean, with a simple wipe down sufficient to maintain the fridge's pristine look. The door opens smoothly and the internal shelf is removable, allowing for flexible organization of contents. While the fridge is primarily designed for skincare and cosmetics, users also report success using it for beverages, snacks, and even medications that require temperature control. In terms of usability, the fridge is straightforward to operate. Switching between cold and warm modes is as simple as pressing a button, and the LED mirror is activated by a touch-sensitive control on the front. The 3 brightness settings are intuitive to adjust, and the mirror remains functional even when the fridge is turned off, providing ongoing utility as a vanity mirror. The fridge's interior maintains its temperature effectively, keeping products cool or warm for extended periods. Several users have observed that the fridge retains its cooling effect for several hours after being unplugged, which is useful during short power outages or when moving the fridge between locations. One of the standout features is the fridge's ability to extend the shelf life and efficacy of skincare products. By maintaining a consistent, cool temperature, the fridge helps preserve the active ingredients in serums, creams, and masks, preventing spoilage and degradation. Users who have incorporated the fridge into their beauty routines report noticeable improvements in product freshness and effectiveness. Cold skincare products can also provide a soothing, depuffing effect, particularly for morning routines involving jade rollers or eye masks. The warm setting is equally valued for its ability to heat towels or certain beauty treatments, adding a spa-like experience to home skincare. Despite its many strengths, the CUTIEWORLD Skincare Fridge is not without minor drawbacks. Some users have noted that the small shelf on the door is not sturdy enough to support heavier items like jade rollers, necessitating storage on the main shelf instead. Additionally, a few reviewers have experienced occasional condensation buildup inside the fridge, which collects in a small bottle at the back. While this is a relatively minor inconvenience, it may require periodic emptying to prevent moisture accumulation. The manufacturer also recommends powering off the fridge for 6 hours after every month of continuous use to prevent potential overheating or inadequate cooling. This maintenance step is important for ensuring optimal performance and longevity, though it may be an extra consideration for users who prefer uninterrupted operation. Another point to consider is the fridge's limited capacity. While 4 liters is sufficient for most skincare collections and a few beverages, users with extensive product assortments may find the space restrictive. However, the compact size is also what makes the fridge so versatile and portable, so this trade-off is generally viewed positively by those seeking a space-saving solution. The fridge's dual power options, AC for home use and DC for car use, add significant value for users who travel or wish to use the fridge in multiple locations. The ability to keep skincare products cool during road trips or vacations is a feature that sets this fridge apart from standard mini fridges. Reviewers who have used the fridge in cars report that it performs reliably, maintaining temperature even during extended drives. The lightweight design, at just over 4 pounds, further enhances portability, making it easy to move the fridge between rooms or take it on the go. Energy efficiency is another highlight. The fridge uses minimal electricity, making it an eco-friendly choice for daily use. Users appreciate that the fridge can be left running continuously without significantly impacting energy costs. The automatic defrost feature adds to the convenience, reducing the need for manual maintenance and ensuring that the fridge remains in optimal condition over time. Customer feedback consistently emphasizes the fridge's value for money. With a price point that is competitive for its category, the CUTIEWORLD Skincare Fridge offers a combination of features dual temperature modes, LED mirror, quiet operation, and portability that are rarely found together in similar products. The fridge has earned an average customer rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars from over 1,800 ratings, reflecting high levels of satisfaction among buyers. It ranks as a bestseller in the compact refrigerator category, further attesting to its popularity and positive reception. In summary, the CUTIEWORLD Skincare Fridge with dimmable LED light mirror is a thoughtfully designed, highly functional mini fridge that excels in both performance and aesthetics. Its ability to switch between cooling and warming modes, combined with the integrated LED vanity mirror, makes it a versatile addition to any beauty or personal care setup. The fridge's compact size, quiet operation, and dual power options ensure that it fits seamlessly into a wide range of environments, from bedrooms and offices to dorm rooms and cars. While there are minor drawbacks, such as limited shelf strength and occasional condensation, these are outweighed by the fridge's many advantages. Users consistently praise its effectiveness in preserving skincare products, enhancing daily routines, and providing a stylish, convenient storage solution. For anyone seeking a dedicated fridge for skincare, cosmetics, or small food items, the CUTIEWORLD Skincare Fridge stands out as a top choice. Its combination of innovative features, reliable performance, and attractive design make it a must-have for beauty enthusiasts and anyone looking to elevate their self-care regimen. If you have experience with this fridge, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description. Using it helps support the channel.